Me at a red light.
So we about to get a lift in with the Goatzilla up in this bitch. Link in description below.
I'm a real hustler, serve Felicia for them
$2.
Get it out the streets and get my nieces.
I really do this shit out here.
Busting out the creases of these two pockets. Stashing all the hundreds with the features in the blue collar. Yeah, made nigga, I should go. A paid nigga, she'll fuck something.
Really do this shit, CPA strength. Let's get a workout in.
Eyeball it, ain't got the way to shit. Running up the check.
Getting money every day like the first, homie. Rest in peace, little bro, I say it every verse, homie. Nobody ever thought the J-Roll would blow up. Now I'm in the parking lot whipping, doing donuts. I told you I was meeting him. Hey, link in description. Link in description.
You already know.
Yeah, we're planning some stuff out. So that's what's up, that's what's up. So this is the camera I got. What is it? G7X.
That's nice.
The flip screen.
That's dope.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really small though. Let me check it out.
Yeah.
That's dope though. Okay. My boy over here.
Hey, we got
CPA right here.
Yep, CPA in the flesh.
Alright.
YouTube link up.
That's dope, yo.
1080, 60 FPS or some shit.
Yeah, 60 frames per second.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fire. Yeah, it's like pretty much.
So this was, I got this the G7X. There's a Mark 1 and a Mark 2. This is the first one, but it's good. I got it for like used for like $400 or $500 a couple years ago.
That's good.
When I went on my run, bro, summer 2017, I did 200 straight videos, 200 straight days, 200 daily uploads. No live, huh?
Cut that part.
The red. No editing here. The red's on, right? Is it recording?
Yes, sir.
All right. And then there's just the fucking speaker on top.
Oh, okay.
You gotta watch out for.
Oh, I got you. What is it? Oh, the holes. Okay.
Yep, right there. Anything else? We're good.
I got you.
All right. So this look good. This is really good. Super giant set. There's 4 exercises here. So I'm gonna do 25 of each. We're struggling, but it's on camera, so we'll get it. Okay. Let's go here. 25 in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 25. Alright, so it's behind the back first, set 25, and the front for 25. Now we're going to go for a third exercise, upright row for 25. Shoulders. More shoulders. Traps. We got traps. Forearm traps. All right, 25. $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21, 2, 23, 24, 25.
Hey.
Alright, now 25 curls. I'm wrecked already. Fuck it, let's get it. Might have to mix this up into 2 or do some bullshit reps, but 25. Fast, I'm doing this fast so I can get a sweat.
I know, it's gonna hold me, Yeah. Nice.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, yeah.
12. Like 5 more. 5. 1, 2, 3, right, you're up, man. You're up.
All right.
Here we go. Goatzilla. Just hit over 1,000 subscribers. Getting juicy over here. It's already on the third movement. Here he goes. So Goat, what's the move for this summer, bro? Getting jacked and tan? Okay. Ooh, damn. Okay. Damn. Dude, Goat's ready, bro. Goat's ready over here, bro. Got some veins popping out?
Yeah, let me hop over.
Goat's ready, bro.
Oh, I got like a shoulder, bro.
Oh, okay. Disclaimer time.
I'm gonna try to do one.
How much could you use to bench?
Like 225.
Yeah. Oh, the one-hander. Damn, bum, ba-da-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Rocky. All right. All right. Link in description. Goatzilla. All right, we got our first workout in. Pretty cool. Uh-oh, setting it up.
Setting it up, boy.
Oh, gym fail? Gym fail or nah?
Hey.
Content's content, right? Content's content. The great Goatzilla.
You know
the great
vibes,
goat.
kid?
You know the vibes?
Sir. Let me show you.
Just hit over 1,000. I know I keep saying that. That's big for a YouTuber.
Hell yeah. Bro.
How long were you trying to work on getting 1,000?
Fucking years, bro.
Years. It's a grind out here. It's a grind out here.
Dude, damn right.
Okay.
Alright.
Well, this is like 60 inches, 60-inch vertical right here.
Yeah, this is just the warm up.
Oh, the 60-inch just for warm up?
Yes, sir.
Oh, damn. This kid, I mean, you'd be dunking no problem then, huh?
Nah.
no.
I'm working on it.
We gotta always multiply by 10
Hell yeah.
and round up and go up and everything. Do you think that's? Have you ever seen anybody else do that in IRL when they're like?
What?
In real life, when they multiply by 10 for how many in chat, because everyone on the street always wants to know how many in chat. So if you're like 5, it's like, nah, bro. So always multiply by 10.
50 in the chat, boys.
50 in the chat. All right. Oh, see what we got going on here.
Gonna do a quick warm up, boys.
Warm up. Goatzilla on the warm up. All right, let's see what he can do. Let's see. See what you got, bro. Okay. Damn. Okay. Okay. Finished it off, Rocky Balboa. Damn. Hello. Hey. Dun 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 dun. Na. Got the re-jump. Got it on film. See, I'm a good cameraman too.
I gotta do 10 of them.
I could be your cameraman.
Hell yeah.
I could be your cameraman while I'm doing my live stream.
All right. Let me do another one. I gotta do 10 of these.
10 of these? What have you done? 2?
3 sets. Oh, 10.
All right. Better get on it.
Hop on or what?
What?
Hop on it, bro.
All right, I'll hop on it. Shit.
Let me record you, bro. You sure? Let me cut out a little bit, though.
Yeah. No, I'll get it. Fuck it.
Nah, chill.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna go outside right now. Chill.
Don't break a leg over here.
I never done that. Hold on. Seemed like you went like this or some shit.
Yeah.
You do one leg out in front of the other?
You can like, it depends how you feel better, cause like you're supposed to like jump like that with your bow legs, but there you go.
Oh, I barely made it though. 1.
There you go, my dog.
Oh.
What happened with the pull-up over there?
Huh?
You gotta finish with the pull-up, G. You got this, bro. You know the vibes. Hey.
Man, work up to it, boy. We're 280 shredded. No, 265. Fuck it. All right.
All right.
Put yours on. He couldn't wait. Go couldn't wait.
Designer clothes all over me, so I got mind control over people. I'm a real hustler, serve Felicia for them $2. Get it out the streets and get my nieces them a few dollars. Got the bread busting.
Hey, man's going high over there. What? How many? Let's get it. Woo, 2, some kipping, 3. Hey, he's getting him up there. 25, 26, 99. 99. Okay, you get 100 next time. It's all good.
What happened?
99.
Oh yeah?
99 was the count.
100, bro.
100?
That was 100. That's it. Fire.
Yeah, well, yeah, I do.
I passed the inspection. I stack that money up perfect. I do this shit to perfection. The Bahamas and rims, put the hundreds with them. You know my life is a movie. I hope that someone come film. I got commas and gems, diamonds over my limbs, shining with BBS's. Without the sun, you can see. Running out the check, I had to bring the track shoes out. Ran through a jail and not the one that's at the schoolhouse.
Oh, Neil! How you do what?
Hold up.
Working class, boy! Content. Some Chipotle, some crispy 1080. What do you think, Goat, after post-workout meal?
Post-workout meal, baby. You already know.
You know the vibes, kid.
You know the vibes, kid.
We already got we got Chipotle. That's like how you do it, right?
Oh yeah.
I think as a YouTuber.
That's the meal right there, boy.
All right, let me get into mine.
That's fire.
What'd you get?
I got chicken steak.
Chicken and steak combo.
Hell yeah.
Okay, I got the what's the steak? The steak. I got like I think everything but guacamole because I know that's extra. They don't want to tell you that, do they? They're like $2 guac, so I got everything but that. $10 meal. My meal was $10, so I'm happy with that. All right, guys. You know how it is. I gotta get into this meal. Take the first bite here. Mukbang. You know how your boy does mukbang? He just says mukbang 20 times. Mukbang. Here, you guys take first bite. Mukbang. Well, we'll just leave it on. So I like the long time ones. Oh yeah, this is definitely the, so yeah, this is Goatzilla's the first person I met in person that has over 1,000 subscribers. So we've been talking YouTube, it's cool. No one knows what it's like to be a YouTuber unless you're one, huh?
It's on YouTube talk, bro.
What?
It's on YouTube talk right here, you know?
Yeah, YouTube talk. But like, you can't really, no one else really understands though. Like, except like, no one understands how long it takes to put up a vlog or something. Like a 5-minute vlog might take you,
Yeah, bro.
what, like 3-5 hours to edit?
Yeah, like editing, bro, takes a long time. You know, like
You know this one, bro, for a vlog. You already know that one?